A flash flood raging down through 2 villages along Lake Como in Italy cuts a path of death and desolation that leaves victims numbed with grief. 19 persons were killed by the sudden swirling wall of water, causing landslides which undermine scores of buildings. Stunned villagers walk dazedly through their ruined homes. A piece of metal wrapped around a tree attests to the force of the rain-swollen flood that caught the villagers off guard, killing their livestock, demolishing their homes. They changed the course of the stream that changed the course of their lives.